Are you a local real estate agent that manages a number of different properties and at times has trouble keeping up managing all the sub-trades and glass replacement services? In this video, I'm going to explain why a number of different landlords and local real estate agents entrust Economy Glass for all their glass replacement services in the local area. Stay tuned. The inquiry process. This is the most important aspect of your role when organising a glass replacement service for one of your properties. We need to ensure that you provide us with the correct information, the correct frame type, and if possible, photos when submitting this request. This ensures that if this is submitted via email, we can give you a quote almost instantly. The thing that holds us up is not having the right information. More often than not, this leads to an email campaign that goes back and forth asking for questions and trying to really define exactly what's required from us. The key elements of the inquiry process are photos, sizes, and a really clear description of what's required. This normally includes the location of the glass replacement within the house so that we don't end up fixing a window that you didn't know that was broken. It's always best for this information to be accompanied by a clear work order outlining all of the information that we've just spoken about. This makes it extremely clear between both parties exactly what's expected and where the window or glass replacement service needs to take place. So what can you expect from working with Economy Glass? Well, firstly, if you provide us with the right information, we can provide a quote almost instantly. Same day quotes are a must if we've got the right details. Secondly, we can provide all emergency and make safe works. If you get one of these jobs where a window's breaking late on a Friday afternoon, we're happy to come there, board it up and make that place secure for your tenant's safety. Thirdly, we have the ability to take photos and detailed report notes while on site. We can provide you with a report for insurance purposes or landlord reassurance. We have 14-day payment terms for all of our real estate agents, and more importantly, we do it all with a smile. We love helping you and we love being a glass consultant to our local account customers and our real estate agents for any knowledge that you need on glass or glazing related repairs.